Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to add the policies and how to write the test cases. When we come to this test, it updates product. Here we are accessing this endpoint without having the sanctum token and with sanctum token but different ability, and in here with correct user with the correct ability. So when we come here, we are creating the user and we are creating the product for this user, which means that this product belongs to this user. For example, this product, we are creating the product for the different user. In this case, this acting as user should not have the ability to update the product. So here we need to add the policies. So first I'll come down here, I will add one test. It cannot update a product for unauthorized user. So in here I'm going to create one user factory create, and then product factory create. So here if we go to product factory, so we are creating the product with the different user because we are not passing any user to this product. Okay, by default it will create with one user. So in this case, if we add sanctum acting as $user, which is this user, and ability product dot update. Okay, then $this put JSON action product controller class and method is update, and then we need to pass the product ID. So product ID, and then we need to pass the data to be updated. In this case, title, I'll add test title. This one, right, this should give 403, so in this case I said 4 bit. I'll copy this test and I'll come here, PHP artisan test. It cannot delete. If I run this one, it is getting failed. It shows received 200 and we are expecting the status code as 403. So to achieve this one, we need to add the policy. PHP artisan make policy. I will add the product policy. Then we will go to product policy. In here we'll go to update method. So here I will write it as user ID product user underscore ID. If both are correct, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Then I'll run this test again. It does nothing because we have created the policy now, but we didn't add it in the controller. So we will come to update method. Here I will add $this authorize, and the method is update. So I'll come back to the controller, I will add update, and we can pass the product. In this case, when we run this test, it is working fine. So any user, okay, the user and the product user, the both should match, otherwise it will throw 403. So we'll come down to next test, which is it deletes product. The same thing we need to do for the delete products as well. So we'll come down to this one I'll create one more test. It cannot delete a product for unauthorized user. In here we are adding the product factory, create sanctum acting as user factory. We can add it here only. So create, and then ability is product dot delete. You can check what is the ability. Yeah, product dot delete. I think this should be fine. And then $this endpoint is going to be delete, and this one action product controller class, and the method is going to be destroy, and then we need to pass the product ID. So product ID. Okay, this one also should throw 403. Okay, running this test. It cannot delete product for unauthorized user. It is getting failed. So again I'll go back to product policy and I'll come to delete method. In here as well I will add user ID product user underscore ID, and then we'll go to product controller, destroy method. Here $this authorize delete, and we can pass the product. Now I'm running this test again. It is getting passed. Now we can run the whole test. Yeah, everything is passed. So this is how you have to add the policies, and you can check it through the test cases. Hope you like this video. Please share it to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.